Hi everyone, and welcome to my first job shop assignment with the Syil X7 mill. So we are gonna make some lighting parts. My customer had a existing luminaire fixture and they changed the PCB, and then some components they had in stock didn't fit anymore. So the work was to rework these so that they could ship out a complete luminaire. And we were trying to do this with a 3D print fixture. So why a 3D print fixture? Well, our goal was to print overnight and get immediately started in the morning. And we were doing this by combining 3D print with nuts and Mitee Bites clamps. And this worked out really well. We got off to a very good start and we had a lovely team unpackaging and loading the pallets. But from the get-go, we were having trouble keeping up with the Syil X7 machine. It was always ready before us and it was standing idle for a very long period of time. The fixtures were giving us more and more trouble and loading got even harder and harder, especially when we got wear and tear on the Mitee Bites and the fixture. And then things like this started to happen. Watch for it. We were pulling out the parts that we were actually trying to rework. And we were doing it at such a pace that we were killing more Mitee Bites than we were making money per hour. So we stopped that. We think we killed so many Mitee Bites because we had to put extreme pressure on them. This because the plastic of the 3D print was soft and we were pushing it inwards. So more pressure on the Mitee Bite. That meant the plastic underneath started crumbling, and then we were stripping out the Mitee Bites completely. So luckily we already finished enough parts for the customer to satisfy their need, and now we're making aluminium fixtures. So the 3D print fixtures definitely didn't work, but it was a nice try. Thanks for watching this video and see you again on the next one.